Today we have a 2006 Honda CR-V. We're replacing the AC receiver dryer, which is going to be located on the condenser right up in here. So pretty much we're going to just take these clips off, number 10 bolt here, number 10 here, and just kind of pull back a little bit to access the cover to get to the receiver dryer. Okay guys, so I went a step further and just took off the entire cover down here. Sorry for the noise as well, and try to get this audio going, but a lot of fans blowing. It's heat in Texas, but there you are right here at the bottom. Just kind of pry a little bit on the bumper cover here. After you remove that cover at the bottom, just give you a little extra room. You'll see the little access point for the receiver dryer, number 14 millimeter Allen. We're gonna unscrew that and then pull the dryer out. All right guys, so I went ahead and unscrewed this portion now, as you can see, 14. Now all we gotta do is get a pair of needle nose pliers and just pull that out, and then pretty much put a new one in and a new little filter screw thing in as well. So let's get that out and get a new one. All right guys, so I got the old one removed, as you can see. So we're just gonna go ahead and pop this new one in, screw that back up, close this entire cover back up to all those little pins and that 2 bolts there, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.